Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to tell you which business credit card is best in the year of 2023. So I'm just telling you that which card will be the best option for you if you will issue a credit card in this and presently in this year 2023. So let's discuss about which card will be the best business card for this year, and the card is INK Business Cash Credit Card, and this is powered by the Chase.com, and the card name is Ink Business Cash, and there is a best this is the best rated card on the website or on the global web, and this card will be the best card for this year. So I'm telling you the benefits of this card. You can just see there is a $750 bonus cashback whenever you will spend $6,000 plus on your credit card. You will get $750 as a cashback into your card, and that is a really great offer. After that, you can see there is a 5% cashback in business categories, and there is zero annual fee. This is the best thing you will find in any card, that is annual fee is literally zero, and there is a lot of benefits: 2% cashback and redeem cashback, redeeming points, and many things more. So this will be the ideal card for you. This is a short video, just I'm telling you overview of this card. If you want detailed video, so just comment into the comment section, or we make a detailed video on this card. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like. We will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.